respected Dr. Tejendra Singh sir, Dr. Indramani sir, my professor sir, all delegates, and my college mates and students. Today I am going to talk to you about my organization under Ministry of Agriculture, what we are doing in the field of precision agriculture technology for popularization in India. So presently I am working as an executive director for National Committee on Precision Agriculture and Horticulture, NCPAH, under Ministry of Agriculture, New Delhi. Recently, NCPAH received a Scotch Award for a project on impact of micro irrigation, water saving technology. Thank you. So basically, NCPH, it was formed in 1981 with the name of National Committee on Use of Plastics in Agriculture, NCPAH, under the Ministry of Petroleum and Petrochemicals. In 1993, it was shifted to Ministry of Agriculture. In 2001, NCPAH was reconstituted as National Committee on Plasticulture Applications in Horticulture, NCPH, under Ministry of Agriculture. In 2020, when we had a is your area of operations in entire precision agriculture. So our committee was renamed as National Committee on Precision Agriculture and Horticulture since 2020. So this is our organism. Honorable Agriculture Minister is the chairman of NCPH. Horticulture Commissioner, Minister of Agriculture, he is the member secretary. We have members from various department secretaries like Panchayat Raj, Rural Development, Jal Shakti Ministry. So all those secretaries are member of NCPH with some state nodal officers from progressive farming, etc. Our key achievements in past some years, if we see, the estimation of cost norms and procedural modalities for plasticulture components for operational guidelines under Government of India studies for micro irrigation for highlighting gap areas during the last 3 plan periods for Government of India. Conduct of international and national seminars on micro irrigation, precision farming, fertigation, solar MI integration, local bamboo greenhouses, and allied areas. We are providing technical support to states through SLEC, joint inspection teams, as well as participation in SLC and SLEC meets for artificial lighting as well. So policy for empanelment of greenhouse fabricators under Government of India schemes. So from 2020, our mandate and objectives of NCPAH are also changed. The recent mandates are to develop smart and future farming models such as vertical farming, hydroponics, aeroponics, solar powered integrated micro irrigation systems, automation and sensor components, manufacturers, processes for developing quality standards. To develop site-specific advisories with respect to water saving, fertilizer saving, wastewater management, recycling of plastic, etc. In agriculture sector through dedicated web portal. This is under construction now. To suggest ways and means for promotion of precision agriculture and horticulture in the country and revalidate the cutting-edge technologies with respect to precision farming. And conduct applied research, demonstrations, extensions, and dissemination of user-friendly, weather crop-based, agroclimatically differentiated technologies among the end users in the field of precision farming, wastewater management, and plastic engineering. To conduct impact evaluation studies on precision agriculture with a view to collect and consider data on plastic engineering applications, including agrotextiles. Yeah. Okay. We have these 21 precision farming development centers where research, demonstrations, and training and awareness programs for precision agriculture are given. Here is the list. I think Dr. Amrish Kumar, he is heading our PFDC in Samastipur, Bihar. Dr. Sunil Gorantiwar is heading in Rahuri. So mainly all the cutting edge technology that these 21 PFDCs. So all the industry and other manufacturers, if they are interested to have a validation with the scientists, they can get attached with our precision farming development centers, respective states, and they can work with the scientists for the validation. So next, so these are there at that time when we designed this software, and it's working well for all farmers, for dealers, distributors of the manufacturers of micro irrigation. So very easy with this software to go for any water requirement of any type of crop in horticulture at any soil. So pan India, we can work for the water requirements and for water use efficiencies and design of drip irrigation and sprinkler system with the help of these softwares. So different types of assignments, different types of projects we are taking in this precision farming development center. Next. So these are again the continuation. Now the researchable areas here in 23-24 onwards, what we are going to do in our precision farming development center. In next 3 months, we are going to have a digital platform in crop protection, harvesting, post-harvesting, and in future, the marketing aspect will also be taken on that digital platform. Mostly in the month of November, it will be launched with the hands of Honorable Agriculture Minister and Secretary of Agriculture. Second, we will be, all our PFDCs will be having completely automation system for irrigation, fertigation, and climate control for their greenhouses. That work also we are going to take within next 2-3 months. We are going to have the low-cost bamboo polyhouses and low-cost cable post polyhouses, shed net houses at each of our PFDCs, because every time we cannot go, all the farmers cannot go for the high-tech polyhouses, but they can start from the low-cost systems. So all these low-cost systems will be developed at our precision farming development centers, and all the new crops which are coming into India, like dragon fruit, like this. Equipment is basically useful for grapes and many other crops like canopy as well as dense farming crops. So all care has been made while design and developing this state-of-art product that integrates engineering and technology with environmental aspects to make it efficient. Also, minimize the human contact. Next. So these are certain glimpses are taken during the experimental trial in the field. Next. So our main focus is on to using of precise spraying technology. We have seen in recent years farmers are facing certain challenges, and now they are more aware and conscious regarding the use of as well as certain environmental impact. Next. So now coming over to the research motivation, which we get constantly, we have taken initiative and developed many equipment, often using pest and vector control that was not only indigenous but also try to use scientific approach. Air blower, and that is connected with connecting hose, and these hoses are connected with 2 arms, which is provided with number of nozzles equally spaced on the arm, and the air received from the blower is ultimately mixed with the liquid which obtained from the can, and this proportionate liquid is ultimately converted into fine droplets, and these droplets are used for spraying the target. So this is the flow diagram of our here, and the tank is duplicated with a control panel, and all effort has been made to provide technology while developing this particular spraying machine. Next, so keeping in view of certain challenges, we have incorporated many features in this particular equipment. 40 to 45 liters per acre. So level is ultimately all these things translated into the cost saving for our valued farmers. Next. So certain research significance we have already considered while developing this ultra low volume spraying system. So now come to next. So now coming over to the advantages, the users can avail various advantages by using our ULV spraying machine. So the main advantage of our machine is it develops uniform droplet size in the range of 8 to 50 microns, and with new so user can adjust at any suitable angle as well as position for the maximum efficacy of the spraying. So performance of this particular machine is from proven and tested, and certain challenges and considerations are also very important for considering or developing any such equipment. So safety measures as well as monitoring and evaluation of the pest environmental considerations is also very important to safety here. So environmental impact assessments are crucial when using ultra low volume to validate the results. So in the farm, yeah. So these are some photographs we have taken during the field trial, and the copy paper is there. This is to be used for analyzing and getting the statistical data, and after statistical analysis, yes, next slide. Yes, so this is the droplet based analysis we have conducted in our in-house lab. What the data which was sent from the field trial, all the data has been duly analyzed in our full-fledged lab, having facilitated with microscope. So now, next. So I would like types of droplets generally received from the nodule, single particle and agglomerated particle. As far as single particle is concerned, here we see around 81% of the droplets are shown within the ULV range. That is more useful for efficacy, and only few percentage, around 6% here is below the ULV droplet range, and 13% droplets are goes beyond the ULV range. So as far as agglomerated particle is concerned, again the similar result is obtained here. Around 71% droplets are found within the ULV range. This analytical result suggests that this particular equipment is more useful, although we are consistently trying to improve this data and trying to reduce some agglomerated particle as well as single ULV droplets that for minimum breathing. So ultimately, I would like to finally conclude with the future aspects. So this is the need of our to scientific people, we have to approach all scientific approach researchers come forward and join hand with us to develop such. Thank you, Dr. Narendra Kumar. I request Dr. Syed Ismail to give you appreciation. Yeah, okay, you do. Good. Well, we are on time. Look at your time. Okay. We have three announcements. Announcement one: we are going to give certificate of participation to you. So be there tomorrow. Hey. So all of you signed by Honorable Vice Chancellor for the certificate of participation. It's a beautiful certificate of participation. Number two, all the members who are present here for annual or full member of AAE will also get a certificate. So that will be given tomorrow. Others can join, some of them join as a new annual member. Also, they joined around 7 have joined today. All of you, thank you. But then those 7 also, those who have not got this tag of member, it's not very clear. Everything was done very quick, but I think this you will get it. Contact the new ones, please contact and collect it from us. I tried to give. Okay, let's get ready. After you complete, you can go. You just go on one floor. Third floor may be there. Yeah, already I arranged complete. So everything is done. Thank you. Okay, so please turn up here on time. You will start on time. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.